You are cruising down the road, and you step on the gas to pass someone, but instead of a smooth surge of power, you hear a terrifying, metallic rattling sound coming from deep inside your engine block, right before the check engine light violently illuminates on your dashboard. That nasty sound and the sudden lack of power are textbook symptoms of a P2342 diagnostic trouble code, which means your powertrain control module has detected that cylinder number 7 is operating way above the acceptable engine knock threshold. Think of the knock sensor as a highly sensitive microphone bolted directly to the side of your engine. These sensors are built with specialized piezoelectric crystals that generate a tiny electrical voltage whenever they detect the specific high-frequency vibrations of an engine knock or premature detonation. When the computer sees a massive voltage spike from the sensor monitoring cylinder 7, it knows the air and fuel mixture is exploding violently before the spark plug even fires, which can shatter your pistons. I was just telling my core group of friends during a weekend get-together that ignoring a knock code is exactly like ignoring a blazing fire alarm. Before you assume you need an engine rebuild, your first diagnostic step is incredibly simple. Pull the dipstick and make sure your engine actually has enough clean oil. Because severe oil starvation causes internal mechanical noise that perfectly mimics spark knock. You also want to make sure you didn't accidentally fill up with cheap, low-octane fuel, which causes serious detonation in high-compression engines. If your fluid levels are perfect, check your spark plugs and ignition wires, because an old, degraded spark plug boot will cause a severe misfire that the knock sensor easily misinterprets as internal damage. Once you rule out basic maintenance, grab a digital multimeter, unplug the knock sensor harness, and test the continuity of the wiring going back to the main computer. Because these sensors are threaded directly into the hot engine block, the wiring gets completely baked over time and becomes incredibly brittle, often leading to a short circuit that triggers a false alarm. If the wiring is flawless, replacing that faulty knock sensor will clear the code.